to our channel ConceptGuru. The topic we are going to study today is percentage. So often we hear this term, don't we? Like when we say, I'm 100% sure about this. Or like when we see this report, companies A and B entered into a 50-50 partnership. Or like the sale in your mall, all things at 50% discount, hurry. Again, like the passing percentage in an examination. You have to secure 40% marks to pass this. And when Jane gets 100% marks in maths, yay, that's we all want to get here, right? Let's quickly have a look into the concepts we learn in this video. The concept of whole or one. The per in the word percentage. How similar percentages are to fractions. Expressing fractions as percentages and vice versa. Whole or total or the full thing is denoted by 1 in case of fractions and 100% in case of percentages. For example, let's consider this box of 50 chocolates. 100% of the box of chocolates is 50 chocolates. Anything less than 50 chocolates in this case is a percentage less than 100%. Now suppose half the chocolates are in silver color wrappers and half of them in golden wrappers. So that would mean 25 out of 50 are in silver and the rest 25 are in golden wrappers, right? When we add them, obviously we get the total, that's 50. When we say half, we actually imply 50% because half of 100 is 50, half of 100% is 50%. So what does per in percentage mean? Have you heard it like this? I run for a mile per day. Yeah, the word per is for every. Again, another example. Eggs cost $6 per dozen. Yep, $6 for every dozen of eggs. A dozen is 12, right? So per is denoted by the division sign also. Per in percentage is per 100 as the word centage is actually denoting 100. Every percentage is denoted by this special sign implying by 100. 100% is 100 by 100. 50% is 50 by 100. 30% is 30 by 100. And 25% is 25 by 100. So on, so forth. So coming back to our example of 50 chocolates, 100% of chocolates, as we know, is equal to 50. 50% of the chocolates, we also know, that's 25, exactly half. But for 30% of chocolates, we need to calculate. This is how we calculate. 30 by 100 into the exact amount, that is 50 chocolates. Yes, when we do this, this is what we get. The answer is 15. And so we can also work out what is 25% of chocolates. And that comes out to be 12 and a half. Quiz time! So for the same box of 50 chocolates, can you work out 10% and 5% yourself? Give yourself some time. Okay, answer time. 10% of 50 chocolates is 5 and 5% of 50 chocolates is 2.5. Kudos if you could get that right. So now we understand fractions and percentages are both indicating part of a whole, like half a cake and 20% of the whole pie. Here we see how the same can be denoted otherwise, like 50% of a cake and 1/5 of the pie. Coming back to our box of chocolates, let's say 1/5 of them are milky chocolates, 2/5 of them are nutty chocolates, and remaining of the chocolates are dark chocolates. Don't we all love chocolates? Quick tip to find the remaining fraction. You subtract the given fraction from 1. Yep. Let's do that. Yeah, it is 1 minus 1 by 5 for your milky and 2 by 5 for your nutty chocolates. And that's how you get it. 2 by 5 remaining are dark chocolates. Then some quick calculations with the fractions. 1 by 5 of 50 happens to be 10. 2 by 5 of 50 happens to be 20. 2 by 5 again of 50 happens to be 20. You add 10, 20, 20, you get 50 chocolates. Cool. The same can also be expressed in terms of percentages. Yeah, how did we do this? 20% milky chocolates, 40% nutty chocolates, and 40% dark chocolates. If you add 20, 40, 40, you get the whole, that is 100%. Let's find out how we could express fractions as percentages and vice versa. So if you have a fraction like, let's say 1 by 5, convert 1 by 5 to a percentage. The easy step is multiply this fraction with 100. This is how you get it. Yeah, we know how to do this math, don't we? Yes, that is 20%. It's very important that now you have the percentage symbol here. Yeah. Similarly, these are some of the other problems worked out. 1 by 10 of 100. Yes, you got it right. 10%. 3 by 4 of 100. Work it out. 75%. 1/5 of any number is the same as 20% of the same number. We just did that, right? So 1/5 of 20 is also the same as 20% of 20. 1/5 of 2000 will be equal to 20% of 2000. Similarly, 3 by 4 of any number is the same as 75% of the same number. You can all work this out in your free time. So now we are going to do the opposite, expressing percentages as fractions. Convert 25% to a fraction. For this, express this percentage value with denominator 100 and reduce to lowest. Simple. Yes, that's how we do it, right? Yep. Yes, so 1 by 4 is the fraction that is the same as 25%. So here we have some other examples worked out. And now, similarly, 25% of any number is the same as 1/4 of the same number. This is how we get it. Finally, we have this section, the section tips for parents. For all the parents listening in, I hope this is a important section for you. Engage your kid in the following: reducing to lowest terms in a fraction, factorization of a number, starting with smallest number, percentages and fractions in measurements like 1/4 of an hour, 2/5 of a kilometer, 20% of a bottle of liter, 1 liter. And you can draw references to percentages in public places like a discount copper.